Red Howler monkey?
Yeah.
Fuck. I need my brown pants. Like, if I was in the jungle and I heard that...
You stay alone?
Yeah. How big it is?
Yesterday we see it.
It was the first one yesterday. It was not big. It was small.
It sounds like it's like a...
I think it was smaller than the spider one.
Looks like the sun is like a King Kong.
Yeah.
Maybe that's how the legend of King Kong was born.
Monkeys is no far. It's around that place.
Why is it howling in the night?
Make that sound for three big reasons. The first one, they try to mark the territory. Second one, they fight with another monkey by the song only, howling. Oh, we another. And then the last reason, they make that big loud for try to attraction more females. I tell you, one male has 3, 4, 5 females.
Nice. I wonder if I learn to do this sound, will it work for me?
Do you want monkey females?
I don't know.
Think about it. You should be careful who you say hi to.
Yeah.
Careful with the road. No tengo opción.
Did you look carefully on the road?
Okay? You okay?
Thank you.
Thank you.